Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, especially the meme tokens, you can see that all of them are down quite strongly, specifically with Bonk, Flocky, Pepe, but you can see that Doge has been holding on to its price the strongest out of all of them. Now if we talk about the trading volume, you can see Doge has fallen a little bit more as the trading volume is sitting close to 1.6 billion, but on the other end, our boys at crypto.com today decided to tweet out Dogecoin. This is a big deal. On the other end, trillion-dollar asset manager says Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, all of them have no utility and no purpose. And there are some whales, or the largest whale, that is deciding to sell a little bit more Dogecoin. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people see the positive side of Doge, they decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. Now if you just look at this bubble, you guys can see other than AVAX, pretty much everything is in red. Why is this a big deal? Because if you pay attention to the way the market has been playing out after the flash crash we received, and especially Solana making it over $200, it has officially fallen below 200 again. But Dogecoin, it's down 8% or 9% today, but still holding on to the 14-cent barrier very strongly. The support has not been broken, and that is what we aim to do. We might be in a micro downtrend right now, but keep in mind this micro downtrend can be flipped very easily. Why am I saying this? As you can see, it is a slight downtrend from the last 7 days, but this can be flipped very easily while we're getting very close to the 1st of April. Most of the people are predicting that's going to be the turnaround for all the meme tokens, as after February there has been a little bit of a downtrend for pretty much everything, and specifically Dogecoin. Now Elon going out and mentioning that he would love to accept Dogecoin as a form of payment for Tesla, and at the same time he makes a tweet which secretly has a Dogecoin inside of it, clearly suggesting that he will be going ahead and making some sort of funny tweet on the 1st of April, which is going to have a positive impact on the Dogecoin price. Another thing which is important for you to understand is yesterday we talked about how Elon in the back end has been sued for $250 billion for manipulating the Dogecoin price. Now, as you can see, the trading volume is down 30%. It is the 13th most traded crypto in the world right now, which is actually still very good. Now if we talk about this, the reason this is a big deal is you guys need to understand crypto.com likes to mention other cryptos, but they have over 3 million followers, and today out of nowhere they had to go ahead and mention the most popular Doge internet meme featuring Shiba Inu and its logo has been this one since day one. Now this has been, you can trade it on crypto.com, so they're trying to promote themselves, but using Dogecoin as the face makes it a lot better. Now talking about a trillion-dollar asset company, so Franklin, a renowned trillion-dollar asset manager, has recently made the headline with the stance on meme tokens. They talk about how the meme tokens will never be taken by any of our firms, and the reason is they have no value or utility, and in over time they will not be existing. I mean, I understand where he's coming from, but the bro just does not know what fun is. Now talking about this world, this is the largest wallet that holds onto Dogecoin right now. You can see their last transaction was on the 6th of March, where they decided to sell close to $150 million worth of Doge. Now today, when the price made it just below the 14-cent mark, or just below the 15-cent mark, after that the person decided to sell another $47 million worth of Doge. Now what's really interesting is a lot of people took that in a negative way, but if you look at another whale, soon as that whale sold around the same time today, this whale decided to buy $47 million worth. So I just don't like how only those big sales make it into the big news, but the buys don't make it into the big news, because a lot of people think, hey, buys are not that important. Well, if we just look at the price action, you guys can see after we saw a little bit of a recovery, the recovery was just a small rebound before we see a little bit more pullback. Now what you need to pay attention to is right now, yes, you can clearly see that we are in a downtrend, but we are also sitting on a really strong support zone right now. As you can see, the support has been tested quite a lot in the previous time. So what do we need? We need this market to just go into a consolidation zone for a short period of time. Once it goes into a consolidation zone, we can see an uptrend and we will be able to carry on. Now, Bitcoin halving event is not very far, just about a month away, which will be about the end of April. At the same time, Dogecoin's big days are usually around the 15th of April. So as we're getting closer, trust me, April is going to be quite crazy. Now, talking about Elon Musk, now this article was posted with Elon's new tweet about the Doge. There is a lot of positivity in the meme tokens, but the thing is, at the same time, a lot of whales are thinking of taking profit. Now, I challenged Don Lemon to invite President Biden onto his show and ask such questions to him. Doge designer decided to tweet that out today, and our boy Elon decided to respond to that by saying great idea. Now, what's really interesting is Elon's actually creating a lot of enemies, and I don't know, it's just crazy. Now, dear Dogecoin, there is an explosion in visibility and popularity of meme tokens these days. Unfortunately, as a holder of Doge, you are also targeted of some of these tokens. There is high risk in these pre-sales. Please do not send your tokens to anyone. Now, this is something important which I have noticed as well. These new kinds of pre-sale, they say send the money to this wallet and then the pre-sale tokens will be sent to you. Now, don't fall for those traps. Never send your money to anyone. In crypto, there's no way to track back and actually get the money back. So if there is pre-sale, it should be, you know, through a website such as Pink Sale or something. Don't send it to anyone's wallet. Dogecoin whale transaction surges by 93% as 7% price drop leaves traders unfazed. I mean, this is true because you need to understand that right now, yes, we might be down 7%, but you need to look at the overall picture and we're still in an uptrend. Now, Dogecoin's price surge, will it continue? Now, it will. You just need to give it a little bit of time, and that little bit of time is not very far. What I mean by that is if we're able to just hold on to the price just until April, I feel like there will be such a big surge that a lot of people will be very happy. Dogecoin network activity dropped along with its price and metrics look bearish. Now, in the past, when the price did start climbing, around that time metrics were also in the negative, just to give you a perspective. Will Elon Musk be supporting Doge? That's one of the questions that all the articles are asking right now. And personally, as I mentioned, the best way to increase the Dogecoin price is we need to get the Twitter active and more people talking about Doge constantly. And this is the price prediction right now on the 18th of March. As Doge has dropped a little bit in the press time, trading is this one, but the bar will close support close to 13.8. Now, other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.